Now display type, display resolution, display size, refresh rate, pixel density, brightness, screen to body ratio, bezel-less display, display protection. Now for design: height, width, thickness, weight, build, water resistant, color. Now for battery capacity, charging, wireless charging, reverse charging. Now for performance: chipset, CPU, graphic, RAM type. Now for storage: RAM, internal memory, expandable memory, memory type, expandable RAM. Now for connectivity: SIM configuration, network, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, GPS, GPRS, headphone jack, USB cable. Now for extra features: fingerprint sensor, fingerprint position, FM radio, dual display, foldable display, curved display. Now for camera: back camera, back video recording, front camera, front video recording. Now for general: OS update, variant, price, release date. Now for result: now for winner phone,